guys, welcome to Car Champ's YouTube channel. Today we have the RSQ8. You've seen it before, but this one is totally different. It's exclusive, it's special because it has been tuned up to 762 horsepower and 1025 Newton meters. It has a straight pipe Capristo, which is extremely special because the sound is simply gorgeous. So check it out, relax, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell.
Hello guys, a straight pipe Capristo. That's all you need on an RSQ8. So, about the Car Champ score, a maximum score for the sound. And now, check it out.